Finally, a 2-bedroom RV that makes sense that's under 35 feet. Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle, and this is the 2025 Forest River Flagstaff 29 DBH. It is 35 feet in total length, has auto stabilizer system, big power awning, and the same Flagstaff rockwood quality that you're used to. Now, if this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, I do about a 7-minute walkthrough of the entire travel trailer when we're at a show without any special effects, sound effects, or weird editing. So let's get started. Now, I don't have time to go to the weight sticker, so like I normally do, so all of the specs of the travel trailer will be in the description box below. Now, as you can see, they give you a big, huge underbelly storage. I mean, you could pretty much make that your own little living space. That's how big that is. Power leveling system, propane tanks, an area for 2 group of 24 12-volt batteries, huge power awning, hot water heater, frameless windows. Coming around here, you're going to see the spare tire. It's prepped for a backup camera and roof ladder. Now, this already is 50 amp service, which means you can have 2 air conditioners on this travel trailer. 2 entrances with 2 solid steps. Walking inside, they have a show price of $52,000. In the kitchen, we have a 12-volt electric refrigerator. Very deep. And by the way, it also is equipped with solar. Forgot to mention that. Because when there's a 12-volt electric refrigerator, it should have solar, right? Okay, 3-burner stove and oven. Plenty of counter space. Not bad for a 2-bedroom RV. Usually when they are, especially travel trailers, when they're less than 35 feet, you typically don't get a very good kitchen. In general, you get kind of a crappy quick kitchen. Let's be honest about it. You got some counter space here, TV that pops out of this area right here. So the TV actually pops up from there. Big campsite window, booth dinette that turns into a bed, theater seating that sits across from the television, and then we have all this lovely drawers. They give you actually really good storage for having 2 separate bedrooms, which we haven't even gotten to that yet. Now you're probably wondering, the model number says 29. Doesn't that mean it's a 29 foot? Yes, that's what the manufacturer considers it to be, is 29 feet. But if you take a tape measure to it, it'll be 35 foot. Nice size pantry, look at that. And they give you the option to remove the shelves, or at least 1 or 2 of the shelves, and use it as a partial closet. So that's pretty cool. Ooh, and it's bath and a half. Got a little office space right here. So this can double as an office. You don't necessarily have to have it for a bunk room. If you're a remote worker, you can use the beds for storage, put a chair right here. You got charging plug area right here and a desk. So that's pretty cool. And you got the half bath with a linen closet. That's not bad. I like that. Kind of tight, but not bad. Drawers underneath. I'm not going to open those because of my knee. My knee's been killing me. All right, walking in through to the main bathroom. Remember what I talk about. You either get the long shower or the deep shower. In this respect, you get the deeper shower inside this floor plan. Toilet's in a decent place. Not going to feel too claustrophobic. So a lot like the Northern Spirit by Coachman's bathrooms. Very similar. And then you have the master bedroom with a residential size walk-around queen bed and closet space. I'm only open up one side of the closet and a couple of these cabinets so you get an idea. By the way, if you enjoy these walkthrough videos, please make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, as it does help us out. Flagstaff/Rockwood is one of my absolute favorite products to sell. And by the way, if you have any questions, all my contact info is in the description box below. all the social media, contact information, and my email. And in the top right-hand corner of this video, I filmed a travel trailer last year that I think you'll enjoy as much as you enjoyed this one, but it's a little bit lighter. All right, so until next time, remember RV stands for what? Toolkit and sense of humor.